This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming system readiness. Windows 10/11 or Server, at least 4 GB RAM and 10 GB free. Once done, download SQL Server Express and SSMS. You need the management tool to connect. Run the installer as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Choose Basic for quick setup or Custom if you want control over instances, features, and paths. Make sure Windows Firewall permits the installer actions. This step starts the process and lays down the core engine you'll configure next. You now configure the instance and security. Pick default or a named instance and remember that name. It's required to connect later. Once selected, enable mixed mode if you'll use SQL logins and create a strong SA password. Use a passphrase or complex string. Add your Windows account as a sysadmin so you have full access immediately. Then open SQL Server Configuration Manager to enable TCP/IP and set a static port if needed. Restart the SQL Server service to apply network and account changes. You finish by validating and connecting. Launch SSMS and connect with Windows Authentication or the SQL credentials you created. Once connected, create a small test database and execute a select one query to confirm query's run and storage is usable. If things go wrong, make sure the SQL Server service is running, SQL Browser is enabled for named instances, and Windows Firewall allows the SQL port. Also verify the instance name and authentication mode. After resolving any issues, you'll be ready to deploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.